Hello, my friend. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of modern agriculture, a world of incredible alchemy where the raw products of the farm are transformed into the iconic foods that grace our tables. We will witness how happy pigs become savory sausages, how lush green pastures are turned into golden butter, and how tiny seeds are crafted into a bold, flavorful condiment. This is a story of precision engineering, culinary tradition, and the vast, intricate systems that feed our world. It is the story of how technology and nature converge to create pure, delicious magic. Our first chapter begins on what you might call a five-star hotel for pigs. Behind every great sausage is a journey that starts with happy, healthy animals. On these modern farms, piglets are raised in clean, spacious barns, given refreshing baths, and even listen to classical music to keep them calm. After about 6 months of this pampered life, a 1-kilogram piglet grows into a 120-kilogram giant, ready for the next stage of its journey. Before transport, the pigs are fasted to ensure a smooth, stress-free ride in modern, climate-controlled trucks. Upon arrival at the processing plant, they are rested to stabilize their heart rate and improve meat quality. The process that follows is a marvel of humane efficiency. The pigs are rendered unconscious using CO2 gas stunning, a widely adopted method that ensures a painless transition. From there, they move along an automated line. After bleeding, they are dipped in hot water to open hair follicles before entering a dehairing machine, where rubber paddles gently strip away the hair. A pass through a scalding flame removes any remaining fine hairs and sterilizes the skin. Next, in the evisceration process, robotic arms with laser-guided circular blades make precise incisions, and the internal organs are cleanly removed. The carcass is split in half by high-powered saws, and the finest cuts are selected for sausage making. Now, the real culinary magic begins. The selected lean pork and hand-trimmed fat are fed into industrial grinders that can process 2 tons of meat per hour. The mixture is coarse ground, then refined in a high-speed grinder to create a smooth, elastic consistency. It is then transferred to a vacuum mixer, a crucial step that blends ingredients evenly while preserving texture. Here, a symphony of spices, salt, pepper, and secret family recipes is added. To enhance richness and binding, fresh egg yolks, separated from whites by an automated centrifugal system, are injected into the mixture. This perfectly blended, finely ground meat is then pumped into casings, either natural or artificial. An automated twisting machine divides the links with perfect precision before they are hung on racks and rolled into a smoking chamber. Here, natural wood smoke from oak or hickory infuses the sausages with their signature deep color and savory, smoky aroma, completing their transformation. From the world of savory meats, we shift our focus to the lush green pastures that are the foundation of our next story: the golden transformation of butter. Every drop of rich, creamy milk begins with happy, well-fed dairy cows. Modern forage harvesters swiftly move across the fields, their sharp blades cutting grass and chopping it into fine pieces, optimized for digestion. This freshly cut forage is transported to silos, where it undergoes fermentation over several weeks, becoming nutrient-rich silage that provides a stable, energy-dense diet year-round. Once the cows, nourished by this high-quality feed, begin their lactation phase, they are guided into modern milking parlors. In these calm, comfortable environments, automated milking machines with vacuum-powered teat cups gently mimic a calf's natural suckling motion. A single large dairy farm can collect over 50,000 liters of milk daily. This fresh milk is immediately chilled and transported in insulated trucks to the factory. Here, it is gently warmed before being sent through a high-speed centrifuge, spinning at over 7,000 RPM. This process separates the lighter, rich cream from the denser skim milk. This liquid gold, the cream, is then pasteurized and poured into industrial butter churns. Inside, the cream is agitated continuously, causing the fat globules to break down and cluster together, forming tiny butter granules. The remaining liquid, known as buttermilk, is drained away. The butter is then washed with cold water to remove any leftover buttermilk, which extends its shelf life and enhances its pure flavor. Finally, specialized machines knead the butter to a perfectly smooth, creamy consistency before it is shaped into sticks, wrapped in foil by robots at a speed of 120 packs per minute, and shipped to the world. Our final chapter explores the alchemy of the seed, beginning with the golden fields of mustard. Though a staple of American flavor, the U.S. surprisingly imports 80–90% of its mustard seeds from Canada. At harvest time, massive combine harvesters move across the fields. Their cutting blades slice the brittle stalks, which are drawn into a threshing chamber where the tiny seeds are separated from their husks. After a meticulous cleaning and sorting process, only the finest seeds remain. The transformation into the beloved condiment can follow two paths. In modern factories, the seeds are crushed into a fine powder, then blended with water, vinegar, salt, and spices in large mixing tanks. However, premium mustard undergoes a more traditional, age-old process. The whole seeds are channeled into a stone mill, where two heavy rotating stones gently cold grind them. This slow method preserves the delicate myrosinase enzyme, which gives mustard its signature sharp bite. This smooth, pale yellow paste is then blended with wine, vinegar, and spices, according to each producer's unique recipe. After fermentation and filtration, it is bottled, its zesty, complex flavor ready to elevate everything from hot dogs to gourmet dishes. From the same autumnal fields comes another American icon, the pumpkin. These vibrant orange gourds are a symbol of the harvest season, central to both food and festivities. Large-scale harvesting is done by specialized machines that gently lift the pumpkins, clean them of debris, and transport them to a sorting table. But beyond the whole fruit for pies and jack-o'-lanterns, the seeds themselves are a valuable commodity. A different kind of harvester is used for this purpose, a machine that rolls through the fields, crushing the pumpkins and using a precise filtering system to collect the seeds while spreading the flesh back onto the field as natural fertilizer. At the factory, these seeds are cleaned, dried, and fed into a screw press system, which extracts a nutrient-rich oil without the use of chemicals. The leftover seed pulp is repurposed as animal feed, a perfect example of a sustainable circular economy. From the meticulous care of a happy pig to the high-tech precision of a robotic butter packer, and from the ancient art of stone-grinding mustard to the sustainable harvest of pumpkin seeds, the journey of our food is an extraordinary tale. It is a testament to the incredible alchemy of agriculture, where human ingenuity, tradition, and technology work in concert to transform the bounty of the earth into the flavors that define our lives.